What is your current goal? How hard are you trying to get it? Or are you just daydreaming? Success is built on experience and practice. However, gaining experience and practice is not easy. You cannot achieve anything simply by imagining or planning. You must try something, fail, learn, and try again. You will improve your skills, solve problems, and get closer to your goal as you go through this process. Many people, however, are afraid of experience and action. They are afraid of failure, so they stay in their comfort zone. They listen to other people's opinions, and they make excuses for themselves. These people can never succeed. They give up on their dreams and live a mediocre and boring life. I'm worried about failing. I don't think I can do it. I just want to live comfortably. Have you heard these words before? It's easy to avoid failure by taking the easy way out. To achieve true success, however, you must not be afraid of experience and practice. Do you want to be that? If not, begin experiencing and acting right away. Define what you want, plan what you need to do to get it, and then do it. Then, based on the results, keep improving, repeating, and expanding. You will then be able to realize your dreams. We can gain the following skills through practice and experience. First, we can acquire knowledge and skills. It is difficult to continually learn and master new skills. However, through experience and practice, we can gain new knowledge and skills. Second, we can strengthen our problem-solving abilities. Failure allows us to identify problems and find solutions. We can improve our problem-solving skills with experience and practice. Third, we can improve our senses. We can gain new perspectives and perceptions through failure. Our senses can be developed through experience and practice. Fourth, we can boost our confidence. We can become stronger and grow as a result of failure. We can gain confidence with practice and experience. Success requires practice and experience. But repetition is not all that experience and practice are. Depth and wisdom are necessary for experience and practice. You need to use the knowledge and abilities you acquire through practice and experience wisely. True success can only be attained by those who thoroughly comprehend and prudently employ the knowledge and abilities they acquire through practice and experience. Don't be afraid of practice and experience from now on. Achieve true success through experience and practice. You can do it. I hope you succeed. And I support you. But I can't do it for you. You must act and experience for yourself. That is your responsibility and your choice. So don't hesitate any longer and take action right now. Become better.